sounds of flowers breaking ground, but I can never seem to get one growing. Oh, won't you go with me or show me the way? I need you to guide me right out of my gray. I can't quite remember this last October. Or was I in your arms, or was I stone sober? Won't you dance with me or light me the way? I can't seem to grow, but with you I have say of where I am to be planted. Oh, I want to stay. The hiding cruel sun has crushed all of my dreams, for she's far too selfish to grant me my wings. Why can't I be you just for a minute? I need some more time. You say you need me to quit it. It's far into August, but it still seems like winter. My roots have dug deeper, but my leaves are getting thinner. Why won't you stay here just for a while? Oh, I wanna grow petals and I need to grow tall. I wanna be sunbathed, I want rain to fall.